Hi guys, welcome to your 13th tutorial on XHTML, and in this I want to discuss lists. There's two types of lists, an ordered list and an unordered list. First of all, we have a look at an unordered list. So the tag for this is URL. Okay, open and close it. Here we go again. Okay. Now, inside this we put our elements, which are going to have the tag of li for list. Okay, here we go. Just put 3 in. We don't need any more than 3. Or do we? Since we're hitting the wrong buttons here. Okay. We open it here, and anytime you click something, if you've closed it properly, it should go purple. Just like HTML, body, head, title. See the way it lights up in purple? Okay, so the first one we put in here will be, let's see, cars. Okay, next one we put in here, say, Java, script. And in here we'll stick in code. So we save this here now. Okay, we run it, and launch from Firefox, even though we do know the Chrome is better. It's just that, again, it's my default, and it's around default. Here we go, from there, there you go. So what you do with this list is you get these bullet points here, okay? Now in future lessons, you'll see it when we introduce CSS, I'll show you how to jazz these things up a bit. Okay, so that's that list. Now we have a second one. I'll just put a horizontal break in here just to make it look a bit neater. Okay. Then here we got unordered list. Okay. Ordered list, sorry. Okay. And that's our tags again. Hit them. Purple. See that? Very good. Take this because I should take that in area. That should be backward here. Alright, potential there you. Just do it this way because it's just going to annoy me if I don't. Okay. So here we go, order list, unordered list. Okay. In here, put our elements again. Same elements again. Just going to tap this in a bit so you can look at the volume. Okay. It's Friday here today, so I am in good form. So whenever you're reading, seeing this, I hope it's a Friday for you too. If not, I hope it's a Monday. Oh well. That's life. Now, in here, let's see what we're doing here. I don't know. Trees. Window. Save, run, launch Firefox. I could have just refreshed, but I'm just going to launch it again. Right, now you see the difference here for an ordered list. You actually get bullet points after numbered. It's numbered. For an unordered list, you don't. That's the big difference. Okay? So, just to refresh, recap again. Ordered list, you get bullet points. 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to. Unordered lists, you don't. You just get those dots there. But you can jazz all these things up, right? So there you go. We've got two types, unordered list and an ordered list. You open, close them just like that. And in here we put li, close each time and put down what you have. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and in the next one I'm going to be moving on to introduce some CSS just goes to jazz it all a bit. Okay, take care. See you then. Bye bye.